kausapin na natin sila. Because the Hana Kimi series has been very, very popular and the Romantic Princess is a phenomenal success not only in the Philippines but in other Asian countries. How do you feel right now that everyone's calling you as the newest Asian heartthrobs, the two of you?
Asian heartthrobs on you! All the girls here in the Philippines and around Asia, they all love you.
Actually, I think I'm considered very lucky, to get the support from everyone. Of course, we are doing our best during our work, but it's all thanks to everyone. Encouragement and the support.
It's so good to see so many warm welcomes wherever we go. It's our first time to work in Philippines, and hope next time we will come over again.
Ate! Yung Olga ko na watcho! Suot niya! Yes! Welcome back to Entertainment Live. Wow, you guys, I'm sure from the airport all the way to here, you've seen, like you said, the warm welcome of everyone. And in fact, you want to come back, We will expect you here. But how do you feel? Everyone is so nice. Everyone's so welcoming. Everybody loves you. How does it feel that everyone is going crazy about the both of you?
Actually, we are very happy. I remember since last year, I told my company that I really want to come to Philippines to perform drama. And finally, this year, we have the opportunity to come here and meet everyone.
Thank you! So, narinig mo yung Bianca? Here
Anong
was
drama
to
tayo,
visit the
Juan?
Philippines! To see all of us in here at sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanya. But now, let's talk about Romantic Princess because that's the one airing in ABS-CBN
Right now.
and everyone's really watching the show. We just want to know who will Jana end up with? Will it be Rob or Jean?
At the end.
Angela.
In the end, I heard that there are still 2 more episodes.
2 more episodes, yes.
I think
2 weeks.
they should watch. Yeah.
Yeah, keep watching because you will have a good ending, right?
Yeah. Both of us will have good ending.
We will watch out for the ending. Now, how's it working with Angela?
Actually, Angela, she's a very fun person to work with. Both of them are nice. Ella. Whoa. Both of them are really nice, and I think I'm very lucky to be able to work with them.
Of course, both of you, you're kind of rivals in the series. But in real life, are you friends or is there also some rivalry going on?
We are not friends.
Enemies. No, we are good friends.
Naririnig ba yung mga tumatawa?
Bianca, kasama din sa isang grupo, the Fahrenheit